Ali checked his watch again. The last bus was minutes away. Another late night, another race against time. He didn't notice the woman walking toward him. She sat beside him quietly. Her face was tired, but her smile was warm. "Long day," she whispered. Ali nodded but said nothing. He wasn't one for small talk. An older man stood arguing with the driver. "No ticket, no ID," the driver said harshly. The passengers stayed silent. Except her, she watched him closely. She stood up. "Use mine," she said, handing over her ID. Ali frowned. "Why would you help a stranger?" he asked. She looked at him and said softly, "Because no one ever did it for me." The bus moved on. Fahim, the old man, found a seat and smiled at her. Ali said nothing. But something in him was shifting. Kindness, it had a strange power. The peace didn't last. A scream, a sharp turn, then silence. The bus skidded off the road. Ali opened his eyes to chaos. Sarah lay beside him, bleeding, smiling faintly. "Help others," she whispered, "always." 1 year later, Ali walked into the hospital. He held a bouquet, not of flowers but of memories. He had changed. He volunteered now because no one should be alone. In a world too busy to care, it only takes one moment to choose kindness. Don't wait. Kindness doesn't wait either.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.